Hi friends, here's a story called Goodnight Moon. Here's the moon and the stars. Goodnight Moon. In the great green room, there was a telephone, a red balloon, and a picture of a cow jumping over the moon. And there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs, and 2 little kittens, and a pair of mittens, and a little toy house, and a young mouse, and a comb and a brush, and a bowl of mush, and a quiet old lady who whispered, "Hush." Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. Good night, mittens. Good night, clock, and good night, socks. Good night, house, and good night, mouse. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the little old lady whispering, "Hush." Have you noticed the room's getting darker? Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. That's the end. We also have a packet for you to work on. Here's the room, but there's no colors. So decide if you want to use watercolors or if you want to use crayons or markers or however, colored pencils, however you want to do it. And here's the different characters that are in the story, and you can use this as your play set. Then here's some shadows. What is this picture of? You can cut out whichever set you want and find the match for the shadows. Because shadows usually happen when a light is reflected off of something. Then here's a tracer. You need to get the balloon all the way into the room. And then this is a Sudoku puzzle. It took me a few minutes to figure this one out. So you have to figure out in a row which picture belongs and it doesn't overlap. So in this one and this one, it has a picture in this one, but there isn't one here. So and it has a moon here, and it has a cow on the moon, and it has a cow on the moon, but this one doesn't. So it would go here. So take a few minutes and figure that one out. Then here it is. I spy something that is, on the rug, on the ceiling, red, on the bed, on the table, black, on the shelf, yellow, blue, on the wall, green, and little. You can use this in your home, anywhere you like. And these are beginning sounds for my friends who are ready for this. So you want to have 2 pictures that connect. So mouse and mitten both start with the letter M, so they have the same beginning sound. And then here's our things that rhyme, if you're ready to do this. If not, put it to the side, such as rug and bug. The ugh part are the rhyming sounds, so rug, bug. Figure out the rest. Have lots of fun with this. Bye, friends.